What's up guys? In this video, I will show you how to download and install Crunchyroll on your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. So, over here is my Hisense Vidaa Smart TV, and to install this app, what you just want to do is to scroll down to the list of apps over here, and you just want to scroll horizontally till you get to the end of the list of apps over here. Go ahead and click on App Store, and this is going to open up the Hisense Vidaa App Store just like so. Now at this point, you can literally see the Crunchyroll app available for download over here. Alternatively, if you do not find it here on your app store, you can simply just use the search icon at the top over here. So just click on the search icon and then go ahead and search for Crunchyroll. And after searching, you should see the app over here. Now what you just want to do is to go ahead and select it. And now you'll be taken to this page. Now what you just want to do is to scroll down and click on the install button over here. And finally, we have the Crunchyroll app available on our Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. Now what you just want to do is to go ahead and open it up directly from here. And now you have Crunchyroll running smoothly on your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. Now you can go ahead and log in using your login details. And once your account is logged in, you can now start enjoying the Crunchyroll app on your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. That will be all on how to download and install Crunchyroll on your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.